Hi, I'm Kyle Holland, lead man with Evansville Water Construction. What I do is I run a construction crew with a operator, laborer, and a dump truck driver. We fix all the main breaks around Evansville. We run new water services for houses, put in meter pits, and we put in new fire hydrants. Pretty much anything that has to do with water in Evansville, we take care of. If any maintenance that needs to be done, all that stuff. We work under high stress conditions, mostly during what we like to call main break season, when all these water mains are breaking, mostly during the winter time. Other days, it's not too bad doing stuff like this. But all in all, it's a good job to have. And that's what I do to bring you clean, fresh drinking water.